Hi guys, welcome to this video, and today we will see how to download and install Deepin OS. So let's get started. So to install Deepin OS, first we have to download it. So to download Deepin OS, first we have to go to official website and then we have to go to download section. I will mention all the links in the description, and from here we can download the latest ISO file. We have to just click on download and the download will start. If the download is not start like this, then what you can do is you can copy the link and then you can paste on a new tab, and now you will see that our download is now started. But for now I will click on cancel because I have already downloaded the ISO file. So let's move to our next step, which is to install Deepin OS. So guys, now the second step that we will install this operating system. So to install this, I am using VMware Player. You can use any other software you want, like VirtualBox or VMware Workstation. Steps are almost same. And also if you want to use physical hardware to install this, so you can also do that. For installation, the step will almost be same. So here I will select my ISO file and then I will click on next, and here I will select Linux and I will select option other Linux 5.x and later kernel 64-bit. And after that I will click on next, and here I will give my operating system a name. And if you want to change the location, so you can do it from here, but for me this location is okay. And after that I will click on next, and here I have to select my hard disk size. So make sure that you select at least 64 GB because minimum requirements to install Deepin OS is 64 GB. So in my case I am selecting 70 GB, and after that I will click on next, and now I will customize my hardware. And once all is done, I will click on close and then I will click on finish. And to start this virtual machine, I will click on play virtual machine, and here we can see that our virtual machine is now started. And here we have to select the first option. Let me also maximize this, and you can see that the booting of our Deepin OS is now started. And here we have to choose language, so I will click on English, and then I will click here to accept all terms and conditions, and then I will click on next. And because I am using VMware, it is giving me a note like this, but nothing to worry. I will just click on next, and here we have to select the partition in which we have to install Deepin OS. So I will select this partition and then I will click on next. And here if you want to create the system restore point, then select this option, but in my case I will uncheck this option and then I will click on continue. And here you can see that the installation is now started. So let me tell you that Deepin OS is a Linux operating system based on Debian, and this operating system was developed in China. And here we can see that now our OS is installed successfully, and it is asking us to start our system again. So I will click on reboot now button, and the VM is now started again, and here we have to select the first option. And here again it is asking me to select the language, so I will select English. And then I will click on next, and in the second option it is asking me to select the keyboard layout. So for me I will select English US, and then I will click on next, here I will choose my location. So I will choose India, and then let me click on next, and here let me fill my details. And after filling my details, again I will click on next. And so now it is tuning the system, and let us wait for a few minutes. And here we can see that now it is showing my login screen. So let me enter my password. And now as I am using VMware, so it is showing me like this. So let me select the normal mode. And here we can see that our system is now successfully started. And here it is showing the welcome screen. Here it is asking me to choose into efficient mode, which is like this, and fashion mode, which is like this. So I will select the fashion mode, and I will click on next. And here let me select the effect mode, and again I will click on next. And here it is asking me to select icons, so let me select the second one. And once all is done, we have to click on done. So let me also change the display setting of this. So guys, that's all for today's video, and in this video we have learned how to install Deepin OS. If you have any question, you can comment below, and for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe my channel.